Assalamu alaikum class. Yesterday we started the endocrine glands. So the second important endocrine gland is the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland is the largest gland in the human body. So the location of the thyroid gland is present in the neck region below the larynx. So this is the location of the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland also produces the hormone like the pituitary glands. The hormone which is produced by the thyroid gland is the thyroxine hormone. The production of the thyroxine hormone is responsible for the required amount of the iodine. Means iodine is required for the production of the thyroxine hormone. But if the persons lack the iodine in their diet, so that this hormone cannot be produced in the proper amount, so the thyroid gland enlarges. When this hormone do not produce, then this thyroid gland can be enlarges in the shape, so that this condition is known as the goiter. What is goiter? When the thyroxine hormone do not produce in the exact amount, so that the thyroid glands can be enlarges, and this condition is known as the goiter. The major and the other function of the thyroxine is to increases the breakdown of the food materials and oxidation happening in the body, and it also releases the energy, and this is also responsible for the growth. Means growth responsibility is also on the thyroid gland and the thyroxine hormone is also responsible for the production of the growth, so that it also increases the breakdown of the food materials, oxidation happening due to the thyroxine hormone, and releases the energy. The two conditions which will be observed due to the underproduction and the higher production of the thyroxine hormone is the hypothyroidism and the hyperthyroidism. First of all, we see the hypothyroidism. When the thyroxine hormone is produced under the condition of the thyroxine, means the production of the thyroxine hormones is the low, so that the low energy production, means when the thyroxine hormone is present in the low amount, then the breakdown is also happening in the at the shortage or little level, so that the energy production is also the low, so that it leads to the slowing the heartbeat rate. This is all about the hypothyroidism, and hyperthyroidism, it is opposite process of the hypothyroidism. In hyperthyroidism, overproduction of the thyroxine hormone, so that when the hormone produced in the higher amount, then it also increases the energy because food production, food breakdown, oxidation is in a high amount due to the overproduction, so that the energy is also increases. Due to energy increases, heartbeat increases, frequent sweating and the shivering of the hands is done due to the hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism and the hyperthyroidism, these are two abnormalities, so that these are happening or occur due to the imbalance production of the thyroxine hormone. Then the next other major hormone which is also released by the thyroid gland is the calcitonin. So the function of the calcitonin is to decreases the level of the calcium ions in the blood, so that on the other hand, it also promotes the absorption of the calcium ions from blood into the bones. You know that calcium is also beneficial for the bones, so that the balanced production of the calcitonin hormones can become stronger at our bones, or gives the turgidity or hardness to our bones. So that what is the function of the calcitonin? It decreases the level of the calcium ions in the blood, and also promotes the absorption of the calcium ions from blood into the bones. So this is the major function of the calcitonin. It's all about the thyroid gland.